What is the real meaning of mint in dreams? Today we are going to know all the possible meanings of these types of dreams. So there are some common types of mint dreams that people see during sleep. Number 1. If you see mint in a dream, then this dream is considered good and indicates good luck, healing and protection from all kinds of negative things, success and prosperity, and an upcoming good time in which you will make huge progress in every aspect of life very easily. But sometimes this dream also suggests new opportunities for success that will make you happier and more satisfied person in real life. Now number 2. If you see mint crop or plants in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates happiness and success from all around in life due to your past hard work and dedication. As well as this dream also indicates some kind of big monetary gain in the coming future. Now number 3. If you see cultivating or harvesting mint in a dream, then it indicates good luck, prosperity and success due to your past hard work and dedication. As well as you are going to get new opportunities for success in the upcoming days that will change you and your life completely in positive ways. Now number 4. If you see dry mint in a dream, then this dream gives a kind of warning to focus on your spiritual life as soon as possible, because some kind of negative thoughts and feelings are harming you a lot right now. So to remove any kind of negativity, you should start your spiritual journey as soon as possible. Only then you will be able to handle all kinds of life problems very easily. Now number 5. If you see eating or drinking mint in any form in a dream, then it also indicates success in any work, project or planning. As well as this dream also suggests the ending of life problems soon which have been bothering you for a long time. And due to this you will again feel more energetic and healthier in the coming future.